$500 per month could keep a lot of people out of financial trouble. Just think what you could do with an extra $500 per month. Maybe you could pay off those high-interest credit cards, take a much-needed vacation, buy a bigger home, rebuild your 401k, or just save for a rainy day. Would you be interested in an opportunity to make an additional $500, $2,000, or even $10,000 per month? Well, with Kivana's revolutionary new compensation plan, you can. Let's be clear, it will take effort and determination. But ask yourself this, if you were able to make an additional $2,000 per month, would it be worth the effort to secure your financial future? With Kivana, now you have a way to change your life for the better. Thousands of people have made the decision to build an asset now that will provide their financial freedom for the future. Let's take just a few minutes to discuss how you can start building your Kivana business. When you sign up with Kivana, you become a true independent business owner, or what is referred to as an IBO. As a Kivana IBO, you are eligible to earn commissions with Kivana's hybrid compensation plan. With this unique payment plan, there are actually 3 payment plans in one: team commissions, fast cash, and matching bonuses. Every new Kivana IBO is given a position in the binary team tree. Binary meaning that you have 2 teams or legs, one on your left side and one on your right side. The first thing you need to do to earn a commission is enroll 2 people in Kivana. Place one of these new people on your left, then one on your right. This structure makes up your binary tree or team. Now remember, you got into Kivana with the hopes of making real money, and it's likely that the 2 people you brought into Kivana were looking to make the same money too. So, you will tell them the same thing I'm telling you now, that in order to generate income, they need to sponsor one on their left side and one on their right. This process is called team building. As you continue to build out your team, the money will follow. Kivana IBOs are paid according to points, or what is referred to as volume. Points are earned every time a Kivana product is purchased. For instance, the Kivana Core system costs $65 and is worth 50 points of volume. With Kivana, commissions are paid weekly, which means every Saturday at midnight, Kivana will take a snapshot of your binary tree. If you have ordered at least 100 points worth of product that month, and if you have sponsored 2 active people, then you are eligible for commissions. Every week, Kivana will look at both sides of your binary tree and pay you 5% of the points down your right and left legs to the point that they are equal. It's that simple. Let's say you have 675 points on your left leg and 1,125 points on your right leg. Kivana will pay you 5% of 675 points in both your right and left leg until they are equal. You would earn a commission of $67.50. Right now, your organization may be small, but as you continue to grow your team, you can earn up to $10,000 per week with your team commissions alone. Before we move away from this example, I want to explain a concept called banking. You were paid on the 675 points on your left leg, so those points are no longer there. However, since you had 1,125 points on your left side but were only paid out on 675, you will carry over or bank the remaining 450 points to the next week. Banking is a good thing. Many compensation plans flush the remaining volume, or in other words, rob you of your hard-earned volume. But with Kivana commissions, your points will continue to bank until you are paid on them. You don't lose what you don't use. Kivana allows you to be paid on much more than just your team. Another way in which you can earn money quickly is through a series of bonuses. These Kivana bonuses reward IBOs for growing their Kivana business. For instance, with the Quick Start bonus, you can earn up to 20% of the initial order of every person you bring into Kivana. Let's look at an example. If you had a monthly auto ship of 200 points and signed up a new IBO on a complete business pack at $1,000 and 1,000 points of volume, you would earn a one-time Quick Start bonus of $200, or 20% of the new IBO's initial order. That is huge upfront money. Another example of a Kivana bonus is the Silver Squared bonus. If you can help those that you sign up to sponsor 2 active IBOs of their own, you will receive a $40 bonus. Bonuses like these reward you with quick cash for building your Kivana business. So we have established that with Kivana you can earn commissions by building your binary teams and growing your Kivana business. However, there is another piece to the Kivana compensation plan that we call the Executive Matching Bonus, EMB. Once you've sponsored 4 people, the Executive Matching Bonus allows you to earn a percentage of the commissions of those you have personally sponsored. This bonus pays up to 7 generations. A generation is defined as you go down to the next individual who has sponsored 4 people. As you continue to sponsor new IBOs, grow your team, and help people in your organization earn team commissions, you can earn 20%, 25%, and even 50% of their team commissions. Simply put, you get paid to build leaders in your organization. Most compensation plans don't care if you are making money or not. They just care if you're getting in and buying their product. This is why only people at the top make the money. But Kivana's compensation plan is different. The only way to make big money with Kivana is by helping the people under you. It is a true team approach to building your business. One more advantage to Kivana commissions is its ability to grow internationally. For most companies, expanding into foreign markets is a nightmare. With each new market opening, you have to build an entire new business and organization. You lose out while those at the top continue to amass more wealth. But with Kivana commissions, international expansion is seamless and lucrative. One of Kivana's crowning achievements is its ability to flawlessly expand into new markets. Kivana has invested millions in technology that ensures all new IBOs, regardless of where they are from, are seamlessly placed into the existing binary tree. No new companies, no new trees. That means you will have people in your organization from parts of the world you've never even been. Everyone benefits, not just those at the top. To show you just how simple and powerful Kivana commissions can be, let's go over the ROI, or your return on investment scenario. In this example, let's assume that you are on a 225-point monthly auto ship. You begin building your team by personally sponsoring a new IBO on your left side and on your right side with an initial order of 225 points. With Kivana's Quick Start bonus, you would earn 20% of their initial order, or $45 per new IBO. Your Quick Start bonus total would be $90. In this scenario, your 2 new team members follow your example by personally sponsoring a new IBO on their left and right with a 225-point initial order. Now you've created 2 silvers in your organization that entitle you to earn a silver squared bonus on your new personally sponsored silvers. You would earn $40 per new silver for a total of $80 in silver squared bonuses. At the end of each commission week, Kivana will take a snapshot of all the volume on your right and left sides and pay you 5% of both legs to the point that they are equal. In this scenario, that would be a total of 10% of 675 points, or $67.50. In this ROI scenario, Kivana commissions will have paid you $90 in Quick Start bonus, $80 in Silver Squared bonus, and $67.50 in team commissions for a total of $237.50. You are now earning more in commissions than you are paying for product each month. With this simple example, you can see just how easy it is to start earning money with Kivana. Kivana Commissions is the most complete, universal, and lucrative compensation plan out there today. You will earn immediate cash with bonuses, a weekly income with your team commissions, and a true residual income with the executive matching bonus. So ask yourself this: could you use an extra $500, $2,000, or $10,000 a month? Are you willing to put forth the effort to make it happen? If the answer is a resounding yes, then start building your future today.